This is payboxtimer.com. Here we have a 4-wire system, household system, residential. Each of these leads, the red and the black, have 120 volts. And what we do is we connect it to our system and we move over the input on the right. See, we marked it as red, so the white becomes the red, the black stays black. And then again here on the left hand side, that is the red also coming in at 120 volts. The ground wire is connected to one another. And again, that's the input, and the output is the same. We connect black to black, white to red, and green to green. And there you have it. This is usually for international customers outside the United States. And this will run a dryer at a maximum of 24 amps with a nameplate of 30 amps. And again, just a close-up. This is payboxtimer.com. There you have it.